Hello, everybody.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining. In this video we're going to be drawing Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, Minnie Mouse is, I guess, Mickey Mouse's girlfriend?
Cousin.
Oh, I don't think they're cousins, I think they're boyfriend and girlfriend. Yeah. And so Minnie Mouse has been around for a long time. Walt Disney created Minnie Mouse back in 1928, so she's 94, over 94 years old. So it's been around for a long time, but quite a popular character for Disney. So I'm going to be drawing Minnie Mouse. Now, we have drawn Mickey Mouse already. There's another video, so we'll put a link in the description for that. But it's very similar. Yeah. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse is very similar characters. So if you've drawn one, you can draw the other. There's only two differences, isn't there? Yeah.
Minnie Mouse has a bow and eyelashes, but Mickey Mouse doesn't. No,
so that's the two differences. It's basically Minnie Mouse has a bow and eyelashes. So yeah. But anyway, so let's get started drawing. We need some paper and we need a marker and we'll need some stuff to colour in later. Alright, so let's start with Minnie Mouse. So we're going to draw the bow on top of her head. So we're going to draw the top part here. So the bow, first let's just draw the, I guess, the knot of the bow. So that's the bit in the middle. Kind of just draw a shape like that. Yeah. And then we're going to draw the bow on each side. It's basically going to look like a bit of like a butterfly wings. So we're going to draw one big curve like that, and it's going to join down to the center part there. Cool, you've already done it. And then we'll just draw the other bottom part there. Cool, like that. And I've overlapped the line there as well. It just gives it a bit of detail, a bit of depth. And then we'll just do the same on the other side. Can be a similar shape, doesn't have to be exactly the same. Nice bow shape like that. And there's a few other details that we will add into the bow as well. So the bow, it's got some lines. So we just draw a line here, look down like that. And another one in the center there as well. Yep, you can join the line if you want to up to the knot, because basically this is the material when it's getting tied up. This is where it's getting bunched up. And then we do another one. You can do it a slightly different curve like that, and that's Minnie's bow. And Minnie's bow, when we colour it in, it's normally red or sometimes pink. Yeah. And sometimes got polka dots, so we'll colour that in later. Alright, so we've done that, and the next part that we're going to draw is Minnie's
ears?
Well, we'll do that later. I think we'll start drawing the face. So we're going to draw the nose down here, and I'm just going to turn it on the side. So I like drawing some of the shapes sideways, and we're going to draw a nice big oval like that. Kind of looks like a bit of an egg, I guess. And that's the nose. And then above that, we're going to draw, again, I'm going to turn it another line. It's going to be a little bit parallel. And that's, and from there, we're going to draw the eyes, because they sit on that line there. And eyes, just like Mickey, very long oval shapes. So we'll just draw a nice oval like that. So that's the eye, and then the pupil. We'll do it down the bottom here. A small oval there as well. And what I like to do is I like to put another circle in there, and that gives it a bit of a highlight or reflection on it. And you can colour that in there as well. Her eyes are normally black. And then we'll just do the same next to her as well, because she's obviously got two eyes.
Yeah.
Go just like that. Alright, so next part, let's draw the mouth. So the mouth sits underneath there. I'm going to give her a big smile. She's always
happy?
Yeah, she's always got a big smile on it, just like Mickey. nice big curve like that. And we're going to draw another curve on the bottom because her mouth is open. Yeah, and in there we're just going to draw a little tongue there as well, like that. And if you want to, you can colour in the rest of the mouth black there, like that. Cool. Now, at the end of each of her lips or her mouth, there's going to be a little curve on each one there, like that. That's because she's got a really big wide smile. It's kind of the cheeks pushing up. Alright, then below that we're going to draw her chin. So we're just going to follow the shape of her mouth. And then we draw her cheeks. So she's got, and it's just following this shape here. It's just one nice big curve. Out like that. So again, she's smiling, the mouth is getting pushed out. So let's do that same on the other side. Now, before we continue, we have forgotten something on the eyes.
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes, that's right. So she's got eyelashes. That's one of the two things that makes her different from Mickey. So let's draw some eyelashes. She's got some really great big long eyelashes. So she's got 3 on each side like this. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Just like that. There we go. That's looking more like Minnie Mouse than Mickey. Alright. Now, let's draw her face. So, you know that she's got a bit of a white face, and then the sides is black, so there's a bit of a curve going there. So we'll just, from her cheek, we'll go up to the bow, and then along the line we'll continue underneath that, and then up here we're going to draw that little, kind of like a V shape. Yeah. And then we'll continue down the other side, so behind there that would continue, and then we just start here, and go down to there. Cool. Probably maybe just do that line up here. Yeah, very good. Alright, so let's draw her ears. So big nice round ears. Part of it's covered by the bow, so it's one side there. And then all we're going to do is leave a little gap there, and then draw a line down here to her cheek. So that's her head. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Nice big curve. Doesn't matter if it's a perfect circle or not. And then again we leave a little gap there, and then we just follow that line there, which you've already done that earlier. There we go. And that is Minnie Mouse. That's right.
Done.
All done. So the next part is to colour in.
And we're back.
Yeah, we finished colouring in. Super easy character to colour in. It's basically red
Mouse.
and black. Yeah. So what I've done is I've just done a red bow. Normally I see it red, but sometimes pink. But you can do it any colour, I guess. And also you have done polka dots on it as well. So I've seen Minnie Mouse with polka dots on her bow as well. So really, you can do it any colour or any pattern that you like. But basically, yep, that's Minnie Mouse done.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yay.
So did you have fun drawing?
Yes.
Yeah, indeed, that was lots of fun. So I hope you followed along and had lots of fun too. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy, including Mickey Mouse, and we'll get some more Disney characters on there as well. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Bye.